Hello and welcome to Tech and Cake. This video is an unboxing of the Arlo Pro wire-free security cameras. Now I've had my tea, I will show you. This is the 3-camera kit for the Arlo Pro. It's a reasonably heavy box. When you pick it up, I got mine off Amazon and there's a link in the description if you'd like to buy the same one. There's the front of the box, and the side of the box here has the blurb and the product description. The rear of the box has all the features in various languages, and the side of the box again displays one of the Arlo Pro cameras through a bit of plastic. So that's the box there, comes sealed with 2 stickers, and we'll open this now using a knife I found outside on the street. Funny joke. I wiped my fingerprints off. There we go, let's messily unbox this with no finesse at all. Okay, so one side of the box is the display camera and some wire that is on the left, and the right hand side of the box contains the sort of the router, as it were, and the 2 other cameras. Okay. So it is all packaged up quite neatly, and there's not that much wasted space apart from the display camera. This camera is kind of annoyingly packaged. It comes in quite a lot of plastic wrap and packaging, and is a bit pointless if you're buying it online, but I can see if you're buying it in store you'd probably want to see what the camera looks like, but I don't know that many people who impulse buy security kits. This camera is reasonably light without the battery. It's a good size. There's the bottom, it has a speaker at the bottom and a microphone, a tripod hole, sort of tripod screw at the back, and a magnetic mount, which is the circular bit. There you go. So in the brown cardboard box of the kit comes the base unit of the Arlo, all wrapped up. It's quite lightweight. I'll explain a little bit more about what is sort of the features of the base station slightly later in the video. Again, wrapped up in some bubble wrap is the magnetic mount, which should reasonably securely mount the Arlo to the wall. Then there are some instructions, quick start guide, some window stickers, 2 window stickers, the rest of the magnetic wall mount, there are the other 2 cameras, an Ethernet cable, the power supply for the base unit, a USB, micro USB cable. These are the screws that mount the small magnetic mounts to the wall. And finally we have the 3 batteries. These are actually quite heavy and should hold a fair amount of charge. That's the advantage over the standard Arlo, that these are rechargeable. So I'm going to finish this tea and unwrap all the plastic from these Arlo cameras. That is the unboxing complete, and I will now go into a bit more depth with the cameras. Oh, there's a cat. Ignore him. This is everything that comes in the Arlo Pro 3-camera kit box. I did find this box at the bottom of the packaging, which contains a USB to mains adapter and a host of other country adapters, plug adapters. This is UK plug because the plug that comes from there is US. So that should just slot onto there. There's also a couple more adapters for varying countries, as well as the UK adapter for the USB one here. Don't need the rest. If you're conscious of your packaging, then this is all the packaging that comes in the Arlo Pro 3 kit. There's a small amount of cardboard and a fair amount of plastic that is wrapped on each individual piece, so that might affect your decision to buy, it might not. So let's go through everything here in a bit more depth. You've got the quick start guide, which gives you instructions in various languages on how to set up the cameras, as well as some regional information and where to get accessories for the Arlo. You've got the cameras themselves, so a little bit lightweight because they don't have the batteries in. These batteries somehow go in here. They look like they shouldn't be able to, but they do. 3 cameras in this kit. Oh, I should mention, in conjunction with these mounts, the 3 camera kit doesn't come with the security mounts that fix into the screw hole at the back. Instead, it comes with these magnetic mounts which clip in, and they seem pretty strong, but you will probably want the 4 camera kit if you want the included security mount, or you can just buy them on Amazon or eBay, or just find your own CCTV tripod head screw mounts. And you get 3 magnetic mounts here. The cameras therefore have a sort of magnetic-y, slightly south resisting pole. Pretty sure they shouldn't be able to do that. Next we have a micro USB cable, micro USB B to A. Ethernet cable, 2 meters. Some window stickers. Are these actual stickers? Yep, they're self-adhesive. They go on the inside of the window to face outside. Get 2 of those. The USB plug. The mains adapter plug for the Arlo box. Some ball plugs and small screws. I'm not actually sure what these are for, because that has a sort of a key hook type mounting for 1 single screw, and doesn't look like they're going to mount on those tiny little things, so we'll have to look into that. And the Arlo box itself sort of looks like a futuristic Netgear router. It's very lightweight. You've got a sync button and siren off button on the top. 3 lights, power, internet and camera connectivity. Big speaker which will be the siren. USBs, you can use the USBs for a backup, so you can have a local backup using a hard drive plugged into there. LAN port to get to your router, on-off power, and a tiny pinhole reset. Let's look at using the app.